Yeah, welcome back to Try a Thing TV. This is my new Kenyatta top bar hive. I only put it there yesterday and it's being heavily scouted by the girls. And guys, please do remember, if you're not a subscriber as yet, please smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and smash a like on the video. And be a part of my channel. Leave a comment in the comment area. And these girls are very serious about this top bar hive. So we're gonna see the outcome soon. They are very interested in this box. I'm telling you, very interested. Yeah guys, like I said, my first top bar hive, Kenyatta top bar hive. And remember I said, I'm just gonna put it somewhere where the girls can find it. And it's getting action. Look at that. It's getting a lot of action right now. And I only put it there yesterday. So take a look at the scout bees at my Kenyatta top bar hive. Looks like I'm gonna have some girl moving in soon. Lots of the girls are looking very busy. Lots of bees are here. So they look like they are very serious about moving in. You see guys, as I said, sometimes you just don't have to do anything. The girls will do it for you. You can see the amount of bees that is flying around the Kenyatta hive. They seems to be very serious about moving in this top bar hive. Pretty good, huh? Smash a like on the video if you like my content. Smash a like on the video if you like how I go about expanding and catching bees. Well, expanding my apiary and catching bees. So smash a like, share with your friends, I want to on the house top, you know. And then I look three bother scout out here. Just one little new come build, you know. They seems to like it. But not like how they like the top bar hive. But you know, yeah.